Hello and welcome back. I'm Tracy Marr and I'm taking you through the comic strip videos tutorial in PowerPoint. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to animate the strip that we've created using PowerPoint's animation features. So let's first open the animation ribbon by clicking on animations, and then let's open the animation pane so that we can work with some of the animations we apply to various parts of this comic strip. So the first thing that's going to happen is each of the images are going to pop in, and then the speech bubble or the caption is going to appear. So we work in sections with each section in rotations. So let's click on the first image here, and with the comic strip effect we can kind of go crazy with the animation. So let's choose to add an entrance animation, and let's choose more entrance effects. When this panel comes up, it allows us to preview all of the different animations that will be applied. So I'm going to try this spinner option here and click OK. I'm also going to make sure that the timing is set to fast because you want things to move quickly with these strips. So let's click on the show additional effects and let's look at the timing, and it is set to very fast, which is exactly the way I want it. And let's also choose with previous for the start option there. So let's click OK. So we've got that coming in, and once that's in we need this little thought bubble here to appear. So I'm going to add a simple fade animation to that. I'm going to make it with previous, but I'm going to delay it a little bit by 0.50 of a second. So let's preview that. Okay, so you can see that that's already popped in. That's looking good. What if we want to add a sound effect to this speech bubble, which can sometimes work pretty well? Once again, we choose the more effects options here and we look at the option for sound. We can then choose to load a sound from our own computer, and let's just choose a simple pop. Click OK. So we can add the sound effects in if we choose. So let's do the same with the second image, and this image I'm going to click on it, I'm going to add an animation, more entrance effects, and this time let's add a, let's add a grow and turn. Click OK. Let's make sure that it's set to very fast. We'll do that now, and with previous once again. But we don't want it to happen exactly with this speech bubble here. We need time to read this, so let's delay the action a little bit and put that up to a 2-second delay. So let's now animate the speech bubble and let's make that fly in this time. Let's again make sure that it's flying in pretty fast, and it is. And let's select the action to be with previous again, and let's delay that once again till it comes in just a smidgen of a second after the image. So you can see that this is the image here, the rectangle shape, and this is the group, the caption here. So the image is appearing and then slightly after the caption is appearing. So let's now preview again. So let's move on to the third image, add animation, more entrance effects, and let's this time choose just a simple rise up. Let's choose OK, and let's see the effects here on the timing. Let's make it very fast. Let's make it with previous and let's click OK. So let's delay the entrance of this image until a little bit after this caption here has appeared, and let's then add the caption here. Let's make that fade in. Let's make it with previous. Again, a tiny delay, and also let's add a fly in onto the bottom caption. Fly in from the bottom, and let's make sure it's set to very fast, and let's make it with previous. In fact, let's use the with previous option here because I'm noticing that when you do it in the options there it doesn't really work. So let's set the with previous from the main ribbon here in the animation section. So again, I'm going to just delay that a little bit more, and I think that's it. So let's preview. Okay, so that is it. That's how we add all the animations to the various parts of the comic strip. So you can go ahead and you can add sound effects to any of these different captions here to make it a little bit more fun and interesting. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to add your music to the video and export.